Well, we've got the threat for severe storms, more snow in the northern tier, and drenching rain in the south. Our next system is turning into a triple threat, and we will see this all develop as we head into tomorrow and make our way all the way into the weekend. We have the risk for large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes, while people are going to be still shoveling out in the upper Midwest, and more rain literally in the exact same places we've been seeing it all winter long. This is America's Morning Headquarters. I'm meteorologist Stephanie Abrams alongside meteorologist Jordan Steele and Paul Goodlow. Meteorologist Jim Cantori will join us live from Lenox, Massachusetts in just a few minutes. But let's get over to Jordan with the final tallies for this snow in the Northeast.
Yeah, and I know it is
going to straddle the Red River Valley, push over into Arkansas and to Louisiana as well. Very likely that we will see some severe weather there right along the border of Texas and Oklahoma. We have plenty of moisture that's streaming up. Remember, for severe weather, you have to have mid-50s or higher for your dew point temperatures, and humid air is more buoyant than dry air. So you have all of that, and then you have a boundary coming in that will lift everything. And then on top of that, you get these strong winds that are coming in at the low level. That will help punch in some energy to this. So there's a lot of action going on. We don't necessarily have a huge spin in the atmosphere. That's why our tornado index is a 3 out of 10, 10 being the highest for us. Hail, however, could be a huge threat here. We're talking 2-inch or greater. 2-inch is the size of a lime. So put that in perspective. It's either a lime or a hen egg, I think, is the other example. But I have no idea the difference between egg sizes unless we're talking about like a one of the big ones, the ostrich. Thank you. Those ostrich eggs, right? So to me, an egg is an egg is an egg. So I go with lime instead of hen egg on that one. But you hear a lot of people say 2-inch hail is hen egg. Anyway, here we go. As we have energy coming into the atmosphere, watch into the afternoon. These storms fire up. The other problem will be flooding. So you're going to get rain over Arkansas, and then you're going to get another round. So it's multiple rounds over the same areas. Everything pushes along the I-10 and I-20 corridors for our Friday. But I'll tell you what, the weekend is looking delicious. Be prepared. It will be nice. A little bit cooler behind this, though. We're going to drop 20 degrees behind the system into Texas, and I can show you the numbers here. 75 for a high on Thursday with the humidity. And then 54 on Friday. Goodlow, that's like going from, the hot tub into the ice bath or just jumping into your pool. Do you ever do that? Some people like to do that where you have the extremes.
I've done that. I've actually jumped into the snow, then back into a spa, then back into a cold pool. It's actually, they say it's better for your body.
They say it is, but I don't know so much in the moment.
It's a shock to the system, I'll tell you that much.
Yeah.
As a home in Lenox, Massachusetts.
Oh, that's a tough one. Can I get yeah, are they an actor? Are they a author,
singer?
A singer?
Go something.
They are a singer.
Singer.
A singer in Lenox, Massachusetts. Who's from Lenox, Massachusetts?
Male or female?
Yeah.
That's all these
What
questions.
is their initials? We have no idea, Cantor. You've stumped us on that one.
If I give you the initials, it's their name. JT.
They give you our initials. It's the name. Has anyone got this?
Did he say JT?
No, JT's
Is that
from
what
Tennessee.
he just said?
Justin Timberlake.
Right, is that what?
Tennessee.
Yeah, he's from Tennessee. I'm so confused.
You
There's a
don't
home,
know.
though.
All right. If somebody says that's JT on the radio, you don't know who that
Justin
is.
Timberlake is who you go with.
James Taylor?
No, it's not Justin Timberlake.
Oh,
Yes.
I know.
Thank
I
you
would
very
say Justin Timberlake.
Who was that? Someone in the control room got
James
that
Taylor.
one. Paisley in the control room got that one, one of our producers. So
Nice
well
job,
done, Paisley.
Paisley.
Yeah. Very nice.
Yeah, ask
Well, maybe
Paisley
you'll
if
see
she
him
heard
around
us
town.
talking about it before.
Oh,
Anyway,
she
no.
Googled it.
There-
All right,
there
she
you go,
Googled it.
Abrams.
So there you go. The truth comes out. But Paisley, we'll take it. We'll take it. Any way to get the answer. Cam, man, thanks for that. Maybe you'll see him around town there. Get a little picture with him there. Let's talk about the snow in the Midwest. There's a lot of people that have, homes there in Western Mass due to the Berkshires, and you can ski out there, the whole 9 yards. We have our big system that's coming in from the west. It's going to be the next big weather maker for us. And this
Yes, but if I would have gotten a text to let me know when to do it, I wouldn't have this problem anymore. Katie, thank you so much.
Can we go back to the hydroponics?
Okay, all right. You can do you.
I've never seen her more excited.
I just want to eat what's on there.
You can't
That's
do
what
it
I
right
want
now.
to do.
No, here. You can take lettuce. Is it okay if we pinch it off? I just wanted to ask the guy here. Woo, woo. Oh, that one's
Now
on
I
the
can't
floor.
eat it.
Here, I'll get you another one. I got nervous. I'm so excited. It's really good.
If you've ever, like, I'm just trying to think of an analogy here, a cheese slice, and you try to undo that plastic wrapping, and then like there's a piece of cheese on it. So think about if that's just on the beach,
and
then a bird sees it. A bird can't, just wants to eat the food, and then of course it ingests the plastic itself.
Right. We can peel it off.
We can peel it off. They don't.
No,
they don't know how.
But we do have loads of plastic in our bodies, so I think it's only a matter of time. And by the way, I feel like half the stuff we're eating is plastic. Some of the food we're eating is, plasticky.
It's really unfortunate too. There's a lot of these birds, especially coastal birds. What they do is they will like skim off the top of like the ocean, like food that they're seeing, as they're flying around, and they'll get some plastic, and then it stays in there, and there's no way to get rid of it.
Now this might have already happened, but I wonder when the time comes when they start looking in humans, after someone passes, and they start pulling plastic out. I feel like it's only a matter of time if they're doing it with birds and fish, and we know there's tiny microparticles of it in us.
Yeah, we've already done the blood test. It's in our blood. We know that for a fact. But in terms of bellies, I don't know, because you would have to then dissect the food that we've eaten and look at the plastic in that food.
Yeah.
Unless anyone's just going out and munching on plastic.
Let's hope that's not the case.
Well, last week we told you about the problems your toilet paper is basically causing the planet, right? Most companies exhaust forest resources to get virgin fibers. But that's not the only problem with toilet paper. There's a new study that found toilet paper. Spraying the toilet paper with that stuff to make the toilet paper feasible.
But even
I don't know the science. I don't know why it's in there to begin with.
Even if it's not on toilet paper, it is,
on
fire-resistant furniture. Yes. It's on every nonstick pan that you have. It's on that.
I understand that, but. Toilet
paper, that's going to matter? Okay, we'll take it off the toilet paper, we'll be fine.
All I'm saying is toilet paper is going in the water. I mean, it's in our toilets.
And it's touching your skin.
And it's going into the wastewater treatment.
What about just straight touching your skin?
Yes, I don't know. I don't want to go there. But the fact that it's in our water supply, that is something that I would think we could easily just get rid of so that it's no longer. This stuff, I get that.
Yeah, but it all goes into the water supply anyway, I feel like no matter what.
But that's definitely.
I don't think taking toilet paper out of the equation is going to make a difference.
I was hopeful that it might.
First of all, a lot of companies are dumping all sorts of chemicals right into our water supply anyway. So that's a lot bigger than just someone using the restroom.
Yeah.
So you could use cloth or have a bidet. So there are options, Jordan. If you feel strongly about it,
in general, the mask.
Cloth
yes.
Or bidet. Well. There are probably some people out there who love the idea of solar power for their home, but they can't get over the look of the panels on their roof, these huge, black-brown squares on your roof. They were made for function, not beauty, but a company in Italy is creating the prettiest solar panels you've probably ever seen. They are designed, right?
Yeah.
So that you don't have to worry about these huge, bulky things. You could just have those pretty little tiles everywhere.
It's just fun to see the technology changing, very fast.
Yeah.
This is brand new, not too long ago. Anyway, all right, in our hot topics, tomorrow, we're going to be breaking down the pros and cons of Apple's clean energy charging feature. Maybe you've already known about this. It's on your phone likely right now. We want to hear from you if you're already using this setting. If you could send us a tweet or interact with us on Facebook by searching Pattern. There's a question on there that has to do with charging your iPhone.
Yeah.
And
optimizing when it charges it.
When it charges versus
essentially
when
what it does is it'll charge when not as many people are using the whole system and whatnot.
And
so
if
it doesn't
that's causing problems
energy.
at all. But let's get to our facts or facts. Climate change
is back in the days what we used to do. They did this before we had the apps. You know that song, If You Like Pina Colada?
On a warm sunny day.
Do you know what that song's about?
Drinks?
No, it's not. Go listen to the lyrics.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I just was like, yeah, I like pina coladas.
Oh, let's go to Alex. Have you ever listened to the lyrics of that song?
I'm leaving to go check some lyrics. I'm really intrigued now.
Yeah, it's a whole story. It's a couple, and they kind of find their way back. It's a whole story about.
All right. Homework, we have it.
Yes.
All right, let's talk what's going on here.
All right, we'll see you then. Woo TV's coming up next.